In earlier video, I explained you quadratic polynomial and their factors. Now, in this video, I am explaining you cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means f of x equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so its degree is 3 and it will have 3 factors. Okay, so 3 factors will be, its factors are x minus alpha, x plus alpha, x plus beta and x plus gamma. It is gamma. And quadratic cubic polynomial will become k x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus sum of the product alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x plus not plus minus alpha beta gamma. Okay, where k is non-real non-zero number. Now sum of the zeros in quadratic polynomial, value of sum of the zeros is minus b upon a. Sum of the product of zeros is c upon a, and product of the zeros, value of product of the zeros is minus d upon, you have to write minus small d, minus d upon a. Okay, means sum of the zeros, value of sum of the zeros is product of coefficient of x square upon x cube, sum of the product of zeros x upon x cube, and here this d upon a. Now question is, if 2, 1, 1 are zeros of f of x equals to x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, verify relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay, so first we have to prove that they are zeros, means 2, 1 and 1 are zeros. So f of 2 cube minus 4 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Then 1 cube minus 4 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2 equals to also 0. Actually it is given here they are zeros, so directly I am writing 0. Then third 0 is also 1. So 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so these are zeros. Now we have to find relation between zeros and coefficient. So sum of the zeros is minus b upon a. Okay, minus b upon a. So it is it is relation. First we have to find relation. Sum of the zeros means 2 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 4. Now relation between sum of the zeros is now alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to coefficient of x square upon x cube. Okay, that is minus b upon a. So it will become 4. It is sum of the zeros. Now second is sum of the product of zeros. So sum of the product of zeros is coefficient of x upon x cube. Actually it is not written in this way and minus is also not there. Okay, so you have to write full sentence coefficient of x square upon x cube. Here also coefficient of x upon x cube, that is c upon a. So c upon a is also sum of the product of zeros, means 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 2. So it is 5. Okay. Now relation. Relation is alpha beta plus beta alpha plus alpha gamma. So it is 5. Now third is product of zeros. So product of zeros, 2 into 1 into 1, that is 2. Now relation is minus constant coefficient of, means constant term upon coefficient of x cube, that is minus d upon a. So minus d upon a means 2. Okay, so it is zeros and the coefficient, and here I have proved they are zeros. Now next question is, if root 2 is 0 of f of x equals to this, find other zeros. Okay, since root 2 is 0, so its factor will be x minus root 2. Okay, to find other zeros we will divide. So x minus root 2, 6x cube plus root 2x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Okay, so first we will take 6x square. It is root 2. Okay, so 6x cube plus minus 6 root 2 x square. Now subtract, these two will be cancelled. Here it is plus, so 7 root 2 x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Now we will take 7 root plus 7 root 2 x. Okay, so it will become minus 14x and 7 root 2 x square. Minus cancelled, here it is plus, so 4x minus 4 root 2. Okay, now next is we will take plus 4. Okay, so 4x minus 4 root 2 minus. Okay, so our quadratic equation by dividing by this is this. So 6x square plus 7 root 2 plus 4. Okay, now we will split it. So plus, okay, so 6x square plus 4 root 2x plus 3 root 2x plus 4. Okay, so I am writing here 3, here 4. Okay, so 3 root 2x is common, root 2x plus 1 and plus 4 root 2x plus 1. Okay, so factors are root 2 plus 1 and 3 root 2x plus 4. Okay, these two are factors. Now find zeros. So root 2x plus 1 equals to 0. That is minus 1 upon root 2. X equals to. Okay. And next is 3 root 2x plus 4. So minus 4 upon 3 root 2. Okay. So these are two zeros. Okay. If actually you have to write here x equals to.